Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching. Obviously by the title I'm going to do my cheerleading face makeup and my whole, shabam. So if you like the way this looks, then just keep on watching. Alright y'all, so the first thing that I'm going to do is prime my face, which is what I do before I do any type of makeup on myself. Especially comp makeup because I'll be sweaty. And I'm probably not going to look at the camera because there's a mirror right in front of me, so sorry. Now, after that, I'm going to do my eyebrows because I usually do my eyes, like my eyeshadow first. So I do my eyebrows before that. That way when I put the concealer on to prime my eyelids for shadow, that I get to conceal my eyebrows. Now I'm going to conceal my eyebrows while priming my lids at the same time using the Tarte Shape Tape in the color Light Neutral. Close it. You're just gonna
You could just face it. Oh no, that's my favorite. You hide. Never mind.
So, I'm going to show me doing one eyelid, and then I'm going to do the other one off camera because that just wastes time and you guys already seen it. So, the pink shadow that I'm going to use is in the Kylie Jenner Sipping Pretty palette. The only like super bright pink, that one. And I'm just going to pack this on the outside. And pretty much it's gonna be ugly before it gets pretty, so I'm gonna like pack it into my crease and like not blend it at all because I'm gonna blend it with a whole other shade. Then after I put the pink down, I'm going to blend the outsides with this shade. Like any neutral skin color type of shade will do, just so that you can blend it and it doesn't look like super harsh. So that's what I'll be doing. Boom. You'll see that more blended out, doesn't look like whole sharp line. Yeah,
Just
what we're going for.
Line.
Okay, so after I'm gonna use my glitter glue. This is it's kind of worn off, so it's Sparkle and Shine by City Color. That's all I know. And it's like a wet glue with a wand type of thing. And I'm just gonna start from the inside and follow like my lid, and then it's like, how can I explain this? Well, how do you think this feels?
It's just really wet, but then you can't really open your eye.
It's wet and you want to keep your eye closed
so that I won't get on the top of your eye. And
yes,
then if
honey.
you put glitter on the top of your eye, it will stick if you open your eye.
Yes, honey. And then I'm grabbing my glitter and just following where I put the glitter glue. And you can see where it's at because it's like wet, so it looks way different than the regular shadow.
It's kind of like, it feels like a lip gloss brush, the brush of it, but then it's like wet.
Oh, really?
Not like loose.
Okay. Alright guys, so I just finished the other eye, and now I'm gonna do my face, which is my favorite part in any makeup routine because, I don't know, I love having a massage face. So, first thing I'm gonna do, Alina, please, be quiet. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is slap on some foundation, and this is the Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 200. And this is my winter shade because I'm usually quite darker in the summer, and now I have to resort to this very light foundation. But it oxidizes and gets a whole lot darker, so don't try to read me, okay? Thank you. I know I look pretty ghostly, but it's fine. Once I get that bronzer in.
All the darker stuff.
Alina, this is my video. You guys want to know what I'm dealing with right now? She's just staring at me.
In a tub.
I'm gonna get more white and put some concealer on.
Ha 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 ha.
Ha ha ha. And I don't put a lot of concealer.
That is a
No, it's not, Alina.
It looks like a lot to me.
Alina! Be quiet. Now I'm going to set my face using my all-time favorite Laura Mercier powder. Well, set my under eyes because Fenty foundation sets itself.
Don't look at this.
Now I'm going to bronze my face using the Hoola bronzer by Benefit. You can tell I like this a lot. So this is pretty much what's gonna help me not look so white. And then I bring it up to the side and to my forehead because I want the perimeter of my face to be bronzed and tan, and the inside to be not white but highlighted. So much bronzer. Love it. Love it. Love it. Okay. Then I wipe off the bake under my eyes. Like so. And then I put more under my cheeks. And I'm using the end of my brush. the end of the sponge to cut this shit out. Like that. Oh, close enough. Okay. Boom. Gonna let that sit in. Now, while that's baking, I'm going to contour my nose just a tad because I feel like the middle of my face is like super flat, so I need to define my nose. And make it smaller. So yeah, just a teensy bit. And I'm still using my Hoola bronzer. I wish I had like a whole contour palette, but I don't, so I just use my bronzer. You again.
Mom's not here. She went to LAKEY so she can see if she can braid the side of her hair.
Okay.
Now I'm back in the tub.
Okay. Oh my god.
I brought her with me.
Close the door.
I brought Sage with me.
Okay, now it's time to be quiet. Alright? Thank you. Okay, so now I'm going to put powder on the sides of my nose, so I kind of like close my eye because this gets in the like way of my eye, and then I just put that shit right there. And then do the other side, just the same. Boom. And I usually put some like contour right here. Lena, stop doing tricks with your freaking American Girl doll. Okay, so I'm gonna take this off. Take this off. Now comes my favorite part, which is blush. And I'm using the Tarte blush in the shade Party because this is my all-time favorite blush. I love blush. Blush is amazing. And I put some under my nose because I think it's super cute. Anyway, finishing touches is putting pink under my eye. Because we don't want the underneath of my eye to be super plain. Underneath, all done. And then I'm gonna take off my nose powder. Boom, boom. Snatched, 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 snatched. Yes. I always use the Artist Couture and Jackie Aina La Peach highlight because that's my favorite. And then I'm going to put some glitter on the inside of my eye. Not the inside of my eye. The inner corner of my eye. I'm going to use this Stila glitter in the color Diamond Dust. And it's literally just like, what is it? Like, I don't know what it's called. A glitter that's like in a tube, but that's like what it's just, you don't need to glue with it, and it's pretty poppin', so that's why I use it. And then I also put some on my eyebrow, and then I like just rub it in with my finger just to be extra, because it's how it is in the chill world. Alright guys, so I put on my lashes and my lipstick on off camera, and these lashes are from Morphe, and I feel like Morphe lashes have like the biggest dramatic lashes, so that's why I like them. And then this lipstick is from MAC because I like a less of a pale pink, because you know, just makes me look pale, more pale. So yeah, that is it. So this is the makeup all done, and my face snatched, look like a drag queen, love it. And yeah, so I hope you liked this video and you found it useful, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.